Thousands continue to file for unemployment in our state, down slightly this week. But COVID-19's impact on our economy could have a long-lasting effect. 3 News Now investigator Jeff Van Sant has the story.
Unprecedented times here in Nebraska, staggering levels of unemployment and those filing claims. Since the pandemic struck, more than 116,000 have filed for benefits, over 6,000 in just the last week.
Folks, we have received 3 years worth of claims in about 2 months.
The state is overwhelmed. More staff is brought in to process claims, going from 33 people to over 160.
Again, we continue to receive new applications in, so we are getting applications processed.
COVID-19 hit businesses hard in March and April. In late March, we spoke to Madison Carter. She lost her job in the service industry.
A whirlwind of emotions. I mean, you feel bad for everybody. You know, people have children, people, you know, we don't have money saved.
It took a month before she received unemployment. Thankfully, she finally went back to work this week. Because of the overwhelming numbers of new claims, some have to wait more than 5 weeks for benefits.
Our goal is still to get 75% of them processed in that 3 to 4 week time frame.
COVID-19 could have a long-lasting effect on Nebraska in terms of tax revenue being brought in. It could mean tighter budgets.
We are already starting to let our directors at our different agencies know they need to be thinking about how they're going to be starting to reduce budgets and control costs.
Omaha expects a loss of more than $80 million, 20% of the city's general fund. Lincoln estimates a 32% drop in tax revenue and expects a $5.3 million tax shortfall in the current fiscal year. On the state level, it's too early to tell.
I think people are being cautious, and so I think it's going to take some time for those businesses, especially the ones in the service industries that have been impacted so much, to see those customers come back. So I think it's probably too early right now to know.
Jeff Van Sant, 3 News Now.
Some of you have told us you've been waiting on benefits for more than a month. The governor said they've processed about 81% of the claims since March, and the expanded staff is working hard to catch up. For more on this story and all our investigative team stories are on our website, 3newsnow.com. If you have a story idea for them, email it to investigate@3newsnow.com.